No, just relax. I want my baby to have someone with him. I love him so much.
I think a buzz ball.
A buzz ball. Okay, how many buzz balls did you have? Okay, what else did you...
3 p.m. Mesa, Arizona. An Arizona mother was arrested after she was caught swerving her car in between lanes, randomly stopped in the middle of traffic, and blown nearly 3 times over the legal limit to drive.
Hey, Twig.
Backwards. Walk backwards.
Twig, you guys come over here, help us with the IA team.
Stop right there.
The suspect was caught on these traffic cameras where her car can be seen drifting into a turn lane, stopping well behind traffic at a light. And get this, a caller told police that the driver was momentarily passed out behind the wheel. Moments later, the car again drifts into another lane. The police quickly catch up.
Chocolate you had to do today, Claire?
I don't know what today is.
Okay. Do you know how much alcohol it is? You know how much alcohol you had today?
I drank a buzz ball.
A buzz ball. Okay, how many buzz balls did you have? Okay, what else did you have besides that?
That's it.
Okay. Are you taking any medications? Are you taking any drugs? When's the last time you smoked marijuana? You don't smoke marijuana at all? Okay. When did you have the buzz ball? Okay, about how long ago?
Oh, time is right now.
What time do you think it is right now?
I think it's like 2 p.m.
Okay, so when did you have it? 12. 12? Okay. Alright. What's in the buzz ball? Well, it's almost 3 o'clock, so I wasn't with you, so I don't know when you drank it. Tequila?
And rum.
Tequila and rum. Okay. Alright.
Just calm down. Can you put your hand on your head, please? There you go. Possibly your...
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Just hang on right now.
Okay, Claire, use your turn around for me. Here, stand right here for me. Do you have a child?
Do I have a kid?
Do you have a kid? Okay, where's your kid right now?
It's at my house.
Your kid's at your house? Where do you live?
Just relax a bit.
I killed someone. I went in to kill someone.
Who's with your child right now?
Friend.
A friend?
Yeah,
The
but,
baby's safe.
yeah, but they told me I was going home.
All right, that's all right. We'll get you home eventually, all right? Like I said, as far as we don't know if anybody's been injured or anything like that, okay? So you're okay.
I don't think I hurt someone.
You're okay. Just relax,
I know.
okay?
I was just waiting to home.
I know, I understand.
While performing field sobriety tests, Clare Meacham told police that officers needed to go get her baby, who they later found home alone crying in his crib.
Okay, so left foot on the line, then right foot in front of it and touch heel to toe, okay? And you'll stay in that position until I tell you to move, okay? Do you understand?
Yeah, so.
Yep. Are you able to stand like that for me?
Yeah, so.
Hang on, don't go anywhere. I just need you to stand like that, okay? So left foot on the line, right foot in front of it and touch heel to toe. Arms down by your side. And you'll stay in that position until I tell you to move, okay? You understand? Okay. When I tell you to, you'll take 9 heel to toe steps down the line. Yep, 9 heel to toe steps down the line. With each step, you'll make sure your heel touches your toe. You'll watch your feet at all times, count your steps out loud. Don't stop once you've started, okay? When you get to your 9th step, you'll leave your lead foot on the line. So the small steps to turn around, then 9. Yep, you'll count out loud. 9 heel to toe steps back, okay?
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Why are there so many cops? Did they kill someone?
Not that I'm aware of.
Why are there so many cops?
Because you were on the city streets and on the freeway, and we've been trying to catch up to you, okay? So I'll explain that to you in a few minutes, okay? Let me demonstrate with 3 steps for you, okay? You'll remain standing like that, okay? So go ahead and stand like that for me, left foot on line and right foot in front of it. Okay? Arms down by your side. Okay? So when I tell you to, you'll take 9. You know what? Just stop right there. Just stand right there, okay?
I can do it.
No, I'm just gonna have you stand right there, okay? Just relax. However you'd like to stand is just fine, okay? just have you relax. Just stand right there, okay? However you'd like to stand is just fine. You don't have to have your arms a certain way or anything. You can put them down by your side.
You're gonna arrest me right now.
What I'm going to ask for you to do right now is I'm going to ask you to give me a breath sample. Are you willing to do that? Okay.
I'm gonna die.
Why are you going to die? Why would you say that? Okay.
Can I see my mom first?
Are you 20? Are you 18 years old? How old are you?
18.
Okay, so you're over 18. So we're not going to talk to your mom right now, but you can give her a call in a little bit, okay? So put your lips around this straw and blow out for me. Keep blowing, keep blowing. Okay, thank you. Just stand right here, don't go anywhere.
An arrest report shows Claire blew a .23, nearly 3 times the legal limit for driving. With the writing on the wall, our suspect decides it's
I'm
time.
gonna blow something really bad. Can I take something?
What's up?
Okay, so
My baby has no listen.
Claire, you are under arrest. I'll be putting your
By
hands on
himself, please go get my baby.
Just say your friends.
No, please get my baby. Please, can I just call my mom? Please get him. Please get him. Please get him.
Where is he?
Please.
Okay.
Oh, no, no, no. I want my baby to have someone with him. I love him so much. I don't even matter. I'm gonna kill myself. I hate myself.
Why are you going to kill yourself?
Because my dad died. I hate myself so much. I'm not even meant to be alive. I hate myself so much. Please.
Here on a Honda Civic. Real time to know you talk to next over to the line.
I'm sorry, I'm just trying to be very 33. You think it's right around that anything?
Hi, this is Officer Bielska with the Mesa Police Department.
Yes,
Are you inside? Are
I'm
you?
there right now. From the house.
Yeah, can you open the door?
Is there something going on?
Yes.
I'm at a different residence.
Where's the child?
I don't know, but I will come home right now, okay?
How far are you?
I'm the grandma.
But how far are you?
10 minutes away.
Okay.
From that airport. I don't.
Okay, you have a key to get in?
Yes, I do.
Okay, all right. If you can hurry, please.
Yes.
I hear him.
Yeah. He's in there.
Yeah.
You all right, buddy?
Think we can wait 10 minutes? I heard him. That's good enough for me.
Police managed to get a hold of someone through a Ring doorbell, but after hearing the baby crying, officers decide not to wait and enter the home.
Mesa Police! Mesa Police Department! Anybody in here? Hey man, we're going into the residence, so just be aware we're gonna be in. We have a key.
Well, there's a dog back
There's a garage. There's a bed there.
Yeah, we got a key.
There's a big dog up there.
Yeah, back there.
Is that dog aggressive? Huh?
Hi. Hi, Papa. Hi. How you doing? What out there that baby's code for?
No, I don't know if it's old.
I don't know.
Copy.
No.
Wipes.
Grab some diapers if you see them.
Lincoln 82, did you copy that?
Wipes.
Look at you, alright, it's on.
Child was confirmed on the roll.
Copy. Whoever's primary, we're gonna have to add charges for that and notify CPS.
Grandma's gonna be here in 10 minutes. She was at the 202 in University, so
Yeah, got some wipes.
I think we just hang out here.
Also, we can get photos of the back of her car.
I just don't know about the.
Yeah, we want the dog to come in.
The dog over there?
Yeah, I don't know if it's a dog door or not.
Oh, okay.
It's a big dog.
Okay.
It's nice, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if he needs changing.
I don't know.
The baby was found safe, and those nice officers watched over him while they waited for Grandma to arrive.
We just secured the baby and we're feeding it right now. And we have him in his car seat and we're getting a diaper bag ready.
Claire is cuffed and taken to jail, where she was charged with DUI and child negligence. Police reports show that Claire told investigators she had been drinking at her home earlier in the day before leaving to go to a pool.